I went to PIA. I started August 2018 and graduated December 2019.
I started taking like technical courses in high school, and I just was like, I know I wanted to do a trade, and then PIA came to my school and did a presentation, and then I was like, I'm just gonna be an aircraft mechanic.
I was actually working on cars for a few years, and then I wanted a new job. When I went into school, I didn't know anything about airplanes other than they flew.
I literally didn't know the difference between like a Phillips and a flathead screwdriver, and they teach you from the ground up, and it's just literally a skill you can take with you.
Yeah, I think a trade school is a good option because you're more likely to get a job sooner out of school. For me, I just like more hands-on things. Through the 16 months accelerated course, you got your A&P license. You pretty much just learn the basics.
Electronics of airplanes called avionics.
From there, you move on to like your power plant stuff, the engines and all that.
Then you get into like airframe and learning how it's built.
Getting the A&P license, it's kind of just like your license to learn. So they give you the basics, the basic understanding, and then as you go into the field, you learn a lot more.
Here it's totally different because you can actually you're actually working on an actual aircraft.
Piedmont here I really liked. We're doing everything from line maintenance to, like engine changes, and I've touched the whole aircraft pretty much, worked on just about every part of it. The good thing about working on the whole plane is you get to learn about the whole plane. I mean, it feels good to not just be like, yeah, I work on an airplane, but I just change tires every day. It's like, yeah, I changed a tire yesterday, but tonight I'm taking off an engine.
Yeah, that's actually what I was worried about. Like when I was finding a job, I didn't want to just be stuck on one thing and doing the same thing every day. We do weigh checks and we do engine changes, and it's always something different.
Everyone kind of works together to do it all to get done as a whole.
Every single day I'm learning something new. You might have the same problem, but it's not always the same solution. And it's really a learning curve. Every time you come in, you do something different. It feels overwhelming at first, but whenever you're doing it, they take the time to train you and make sure you're doing it right.
Even though some guys have been here for 30 plus years, it's just, we can work together and it's a team effort, not just I did this, I did that.
Piedmont's wholly owned through American. It was good for the flight benefits and then health insurance, but you don't really think about it too much in school and never being in aviation, but now having experience and stuff the flight benefits and all that is awesome.
Seeing the plane taken all apart, and then you help put it back together, and then you see it flying in a better state than when it came in.
Feels good because you've done your job and it's been completed. You did it right.